What's up, y'all? It's Sir, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Oculus Quest 2 standalone VR headset. We're also going to be taking a look at some accessories for it too.
Alright, so in the box of the Quest 2, you get the right and left touch controllers, the charger and any warranty and safety information, and the headset itself.
Ooh.
For the Elite strap, you get any safety and warranty information, the strap itself, as well as instructions on how to install it on your headset.
Taking off the default strap is pretty easy. All you have to do is pop off the sides off the Quest itself, but be careful because you don't want to break anything. Remove the facial interface, unvelcro the fabric, and remove from the headset. To put on the Elite strap, just do all of that in reverse. This is a link cable. It'll allow me to use Oculus Link and play PC VR games on my computer or laptop, but I'll get to that later. The first time you open the app, you'll be prompted to log in with Facebook. From there, you can add friends and choose your interest.
The app is great and can be used for looking at events, games, and any friends that may be online.
For the rest of the setup, you'll need the headset on. For the first time you boot up the Quest 2, you'll be greeted with this screen, where you can see your controllers and use them as pointers. After that, you'll be prompted to select your language and adjust your IPD, which is the distance between your pupils. You want to adjust this so that you're comfortable while using VR and that the image looks as clear as possible. The Quest 2 has 3 IPD setting slots that go from a range of 58 to 72mm. You can adjust them manually by moving the lenses to different levels. The default position is at 58mm, setting 2 is at 63mm, and setting 3 is at 68. Again, use whichever is most comfortable for you. Next, you'll have to log on to your Wi-Fi and watch a quick video on making sure your play area is safe and how to set up the Guardian boundary system. It'll also show you the different levels of comfort games you'll have, including comfortable, moderate, and intense. If you're new to VR, I recommend not playing any intense games until you get used to VR because those ratings aren't lying. After the video is done, your headset and controllers will have to update, so just take it off for a few minutes and let it update until you hear a sound letting you know it's complete. Once the update is complete, you'll have to pair your Quest 2 to your phone using the Oculus app. The app should automatically recognize the headset in the app if it's connected to the same Wi-Fi, but there's a code displayed in the headset if you need to use that instead. Finally, you have to set up your Guardian. You'll need to start by setting the floor level and then making an outline of your play space. And after confirming everything, you're now ready to use a Quest 2 headset. You can change the virtual environment you're in, as well as learn how to use hand tracking in VR as well. This can be disabled and enabled at any time though. If you're a first timer for VR, I recommend playing Oculus First Steps and First Contact, as these two are great ways to learn more about how to use their touch controllers and how to interact with things in VR. Plus, these are just pretty fun games to play. Super Hot is a game that's been out for years, and the Quest 2 version is pretty fun, but I suck. I'm trying to I died. I got shot. Oh, fucking god. Oh my god, bro, I died. You're kidding. Oh, did I die? What the fuck? That was my ear. Echo VR is one of the most popular free games on the Oculus Store, and it's honestly really fun. The goal is to get the ball, onto the opposing team's side while moving in a fully 3D environment. So you have to push off of objects, talk to your teammates, and literally punch your enemies if you want to win games. There's a bit of a learning curve to this game, but it's definitely worth it. But the games on the Quest 2 store aren't the only games available for your headset. By downloading SideQuest for your PC, making an account, and connecting your headset to SideQuest, you can play a bunch of great free games in your Quest. One of which being Pavlov's Shack, a Quest 2 version of Pavlov that still looks and plays amazing. There's also games like Attack on Quest and so many other free games on SideQuest to download and play. Now, to play PC VR games like Half-Life Alyx or Boneworks on your Quest 2, you're going to need the link cable that I mentioned before. But there was a weird issue with my laptop that didn't allow the cable to work at first. What? Gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Nice. To use Oculus Link, you can use any USB 3.1 cable. Just make sure it's long enough so that you have enough room to move around without it falling out. I'll link the one that I use and everything else mentioned so far in the description below. To use the Quest 2 as a Rift using Oculus Link, first you'll have to download the Oculus app on your laptop or PC. Sign in using Facebook, go to the Devices tab, click on Add Headset, select Quest 2, and connect using your link cable. After it's connected and added, you should see an Oculus Link option in the headset itself. Using Oculus Link is honestly great. Aside from the weird issue where I couldn't use a built-in mic for some reason, that eventually fixed itself. And this one weird audio glitch in Gorilla Tag, it all ran pretty great. Comparing the PC version to the Quest version of Echo VR, you can see that the PC version is more detailed, but that's pretty much it in my opinion. I'd still rather play without using Oculus Link so I don't have to worry about getting caught in the cable. But Oculus Link is great, and if you have a VR capable PC and a Quest 2, then I definitely recommend giving this a try. So, how do I feel about the Oculus Quest 2? If you're just getting into VR, I think the Quest 2 is a really good place to start. Or even if you're just trying to upgrade from a previous VR headset you might have had before, I think it'll work as a really good upgrade. That's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.